Hello, fellow fitness lovers. We all want to live a healthy life, which means we need to maintain an appropriate exercise and nutritional routine. This is another video to help you understand the best tips, facts, and hacks to do just that. If you've been trying to build muscle but have not seen the results you desire with your workouts, it's time to choose another approach. In this video, we're going to review Muscle Building 101 to teach you the most important, basic exercises you need to focus on for building bigger muscles and to transform your physique. These are 7 of the best exercise options for men to build muscle fast. Regardless if you're a beginner, a hard gainer struggling to gain size, or even if you're well-versed, these exercises will help you gain muscle mass faster. So without wasting another second, let's get into these workouts. Chest presses. Chest muscles are the main area of the body which defines the overall human physique for men. So, we need to focus on what you should be doing for your chest to get the needed attention it deserves. There are numerous chest workouts to use, from body weight to standard dumbbells, that will help build a massive pair of pecs without being a major task. One of the keys is to mix up your workouts to activate all of your chest muscles from all angles. This will result in gaining strength and size in your chest and upper torso, allowing you to be more adept at lifting even heavier weight to continue your growth. To obtain growth in your pecs, you'll need to activate all of your chest muscles. Here is a quick guide to put you on the right path for larger chest muscles. Number 1, be sure to always use the correct form and warm up properly. If you're not using the correct form, you'll always struggle to gain size. Dynamic warm-ups are always considered the best pre-workout choice. This consists of movements that have a similar motion to the workout to prepare your body before you add weight. Number 2, you'll need to vary your rep and tempo between workouts with going up and down with weights. Number 3, you need to eat to fuel your body for a bigger chest, so be sure to take in enough protein to build lean body mass. Here are 5 of the best chest exercises to include with your workout. Barbell bench press, bent forward cable crossover, incline dumbbell flies, flat bench press, decline push-ups, bicep curls. Biceps are equally important when it comes to men's muscle and physique appearance. Biceps are the large muscle group located on the front section of your upper arm. Using a bicep curl is a broad term that involves building bicep muscles. It's easy to perform. Just stand up or keep sitting. Pick a dumbbell in each hand. Now, while keeping your elbows steady and tucked against your body, bring the weight to your shoulders. Hold for 2 seconds and release to the original position slowly. You can keep increasing weights for added stimulation. Here are the 4 rules that are key to growing larger biceps. Number 1, warm up. It's the most important. A warmed muscle will always work better. The increased temperature will help reduce the risk of injuries and deliver more red blood cells, which contain needed oxygen and nutrients for muscle growth. Number 2, change your workouts. After 6 workouts, the body learns and already anticipates the workout, which reduces the benefits. Be sure to keep your body surprised by rotating with different bicep workouts. Try having 3 different workouts that you use for weeks 1, 2, and 3. Then repeat for weeks 4, 5, and 6, and so on. Number 3, breathing. Consistent and structured breathing during your workout will help you concentrate and keep your tempo controlled. Number 4, rest. Be sure to rest between sets. The standard is 30 to 60 seconds, but don't be afraid to take a little more rest if your body needs it to return to full strength for your next set. Stay patient. It may only take a couple of weeks to witness the size of your biceps increasing. Be sure to change up your bicep workouts as there are numerous exercise options and more than enough training day sessions to keep your gains effective and to continue stimulation for your muscles. Here are 5 of the best bicep exercises to include in your workout. Barbell curl, hammer curl, concentration curl, reverse barbell curl, isolated bench curl, tricep extension, Triceps are required if you want those supersized arms, as they account for 2/3 of your upper arm size. Tricep muscles are located on the back of your upper arms, consisting of 3 heads: medial, lateral, and long. Strong triceps are known to stabilize our shoulders and elbow joints. They help us lift and push. A study published in the Journal of Science and Medicine in Sport stated that to increase the size of muscle groups like in your triceps, it's best to complete these workouts at the beginning of your training session before moving to larger muscle groups as in your chest, back, and legs. Tricep extensions are easy to perform both in standing and sitting positions. You'll want to focus on hitting all 3 tricep heads using various workouts while challenging yourself with ranging weight amounts. Here are 5 of the best tricep exercises to include with your workout. Rope tricep push-down, close grip bench press, skull crushers or lying tricep extensions, isolated tricep extension, underhand cable pushdowns, deadlift. As all athletes are aware, deadlifting is a must-do exercise for building amazing grip, absolute power, and muscle mass. Deadlifting is typically your heaviest lift, and a compound move that requires a combination of muscle groups that will help you gain muscle when performed correctly. The major advantage of a deadlift is that it targets multiple muscles in one lift. It triggers lots of muscle activation from thighs to shoulders and is highly recommended to strengthen your back to reduce back pain. Deadlifting builds core, stability, and the following muscle groups. Deadlifting is performed in a standing position and uses a basic movement. However, it does carry a risk of injury for your back if not done properly. Here is a great deadlift routine to use for your next workout. 2 sets of 12 reps to warm up at 20 to 30% of your max weight. 5 sets of 12 reps at 50% of your max weight. 1 to 2 sets of 15 at 60 to 70% of your max weight. Avoid sitting immediately after your deadlift set. Try walking for a minute or 2. Back workouts. Back workouts provide numerous benefits from training, from preventing injury to assisting to pull heavier weight across the board, with all your lifts building the sought-out V-shape we all desire. A recent study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research discovered that 16 weeks of back workouts helped alleviate soreness and discomfort experienced by 30 men who had suffered from chronic back pain for close to or over 2 years. The beneficial reasons to train your back, traps, lats, and beyond speak volumes. Let's walk through them together. Back workouts help improve your posture. If you spend most of your week slumped over a desk working from your computer, chances are your posture has likely taken a beating. Back workouts single-handedly will help fix your posture and get rid of the computer hunch. Back workouts reduce our chances of injury. We tend to spend most of our time in a relaxed or work position, and then jump into high-intensity workouts that take you to full speed and instantly drop you back down to 0. Then repeat over. Back workouts will assist with reducing pain and eliminate the chance of injury. Here are a few of the best back exercises to include with your workout: pull-ups, barbell bent-over rows, lat pull-downs, inverted row, and seated cable rows. Shoulder press. While shoulder workouts are not typically enjoyed, they're necessary to broaden out at the top to build that V-shape all men want. To do this, you need the right shoulder workouts with focus, as shoulders can easily be injured if the exercises are not done correctly or overworked. The shoulders are made up of 2 groups of muscles, extrinsic and intrinsic muscles. Extrinsic muscles start at the torso, attaching to the bones of the shoulder. Intrinsic muscles start from the scapula and clavicle, attaching to the humerus. Shoulder workouts can be performed in both standing and sitting positions. Every shoulder workout begins with isolating the shoulder joints. We recommend spending 5 minutes activating your shoulder muscles and increasing your range of motion before grabbing the weights. Start your workout with high-rep sets for the first exercise using light weights or no weights. This will warm your shoulders up and get them accumulated to the movements, so you're not starting your first set cold. Once you're into your workout, manage the weights you're lifting. Remember, you want controlled and clean movements. If you're struggling, drop the weight and choose a lighter option. When it comes to shoulder workouts, it's just not worth overdoing. Here are 5 of the best shoulder exercises to include with your workout. Seated dumbbell press, upright row, shrugs, shadow boxing with dumbbells, front raises, legs. There are only a few things that can top a pair of strong, well-built legs in the world of fitness. Using numerous leg exercises, you need to focus on building your quads, hamstrings, calves, and glutes. Legs are challenging and typically more painful, so having a longer recovery period is normal. Results can take time to materialize, so our recommendation is to set a plan and stick to it for a set period. Then, add your leg variation exercises to the plan and continue to track your results. Remember, leg exercises can be more taxing than most upper body moves, as they often recruit multiple muscles. Be sure to focus on increasing your leg workout intensity, weight range, and exercise variation to speed up the results. Training legs provides the benefits of burning more calories, increasing your testosterone levels, boosting your other workout lifts, improving your mobility, along with building strength, power, and of course, more mass. Here are 6 must-add exercises to include in your leg day workouts. Front squats, hack squats, leg press, hamstring curls, leg extensions, and calf raises. We hope you enjoyed this video and found these workout choices to build more muscle useful to reach your personal goals faster. Make sure to like and share this video so that you can help others in meeting their fitness goals too. Share your fitness experiences and recommendations with us by commenting down below. See you in the next video.